M1 Finance Review. Is it legit or a scam? Well, let's find out. So, M1 Finance is founded in 2015 and headquartered in Chicago. It's an SEC registered broker dealer and FINRA member, offering automated portfolio investing, banking, margin borrowing, and crypto services. It allows custom buys of ETFs and stocks with fractional shares, automatic rebalancing, and integrated debit or savings account. So here's why it's legit. It offers regulation and protection, so it's registered in SEC and it operates under the INRA oversight. And they also have low-cost investings, so commission-free trades on stocks, ETFs has no advisory fees. They even have minimal platform fees. They also have a customizable automation, so it allows hands-on investors to define portfolios, auto-invest, and use dynamic rebalancing on deposit contributions. They also have fractional shares and cash features, so you can invest small amounts easily. And they have a strong user ratings of over 4.2 stars average on Apple Store. However, it comes with some major concerns. So despite all those nice features, they have a client service and account access problem. So they have delayed or frozen withdrawals, which are very common, and they have documentation explanations. They also have surprise fees and policy issues, and they also have some issues with the execution and for the transparency. So, why should you use it and who should use it? So, intermediate or advanced investors who want full DIY control over diversified portfolios and automatic rebalancing may benefit from this website. However, users expecting responsive, high-touch support or frequent withdrawal access should avoid this platform. Because in conclusion, A1 Finance is legit and powerful for those wanting commission-free investing with automation and customization.